This 17-minute video provides an overview of illegal defense. The video doesn't show each and every illegal defense that the umpire might encounter during the course of a game. However, it gives you a general idea of what to expect. Illegal defenses are primarily called by the umpire. The wings will assist in several illegal defense calls. And the first one we're going to take a look at is the double blitz. This is the easiest illegal defense for the umpire to pick up. Watch the umpire. He's planted at 6 yards. The two linebackers go at the snap. Both blitz. The flag is thrown. The umpire continues to officiate. There's the double blitz. There's the flag. Umpire turns, continues to officiate. Again, the snap. Both linebackers going hard. The flag is tossed. The umpire continues to officiate the play. Here, both linebackers go. The left one hard. The right side linebacker not so hard. Nonetheless, the right side linebacker, as soon as he crosses the line of scrimmage and ends up in the offensive backfield, we interpret that as a blitz. Therefore, both of these linebackers in this play have blitzed. We need to have a flag on this play. Even though the right linebacker's not coming hard, it's still interpreted as a blitz, and we have a double blitz on this play. We'll contrast this play, with the next play we take a look at, where the right side linebacker stops. Left side linebacker blitz. Right side linebacker starts to go, but he stops after a yard, and in the umpire's judgment, did not cross the line of scrimmage, did not blitz. The umpire's judgment in this particular play was correct. This is not a double blitz. The right side linebacker didn't cross the line of scrimmage. Here's the snap. Both linebackers start. The right side linebacker stops. It's not a double blitz. Proper, no call by the umpire. Also note, as soon as this quarterback rolls out of the box right here, all linebacker restrictions end. Here it is, back to the double blitz, the easy call. The ball snap, both linebackers go. The umpire missed the call here. We can't miss this type of illegal defense. It's the easiest call right in front of the umpire. Double blitz. The next illegal defense we're going to take a look at is daylight. Daylight is explained exhaustively in one of the PowerPoints on blip.tv. However, we're putting it here just as a reminder. Even though we have an end zone camera, I think we can all safely say the left side linebacker doesn't have any daylight between him and the lineman. Again, a sideline camera would provide a better view, but I think we can agree here there's no daylight, and this is a call that the wing officials must make, especially down near the goal line where the linebackers and running backs have a tendency to scoot up and gain a tremendous advantage. We can't miss this illegal defense call, lack of daylight. This is the wings' call. The next illegal defense we're going to take a look at is 3 in the box. That's 3 defenders in the box. Again, this is a relatively simple call for the umpire to make, yet we missed it many times last season. Here we go. 2 linebackers and a safety in the box right in front of the umpire. No flag. This is what we mean, 3 defenders in the box. This is an illegal defense. You can't miss this call. And if in fact you're backed up against the end zone and the box extends to the end zone dasher boards, it is the defender's obligation to be out of that box. He can't be in the box. Here, you can see the safety sliding right in front of the umpire. 3 defenders in the box. Right there. Look, he's right in front of the umpire. How easy a call is this to make? The umpire makes it. I apologize for the quality of the video from this particular feed. Look again. Whoops, went a little too fast. We'll have to slow it down and watch it again. But again, we have 3 defenders in the box. Here comes the safety. He's in the defensive box. We need a flag at the snap. We missed it. The next 6 short clips you've seen before in a previous video dealing with the umpire mechanics. What's the umpire check-in? He's ensuring that Rule H5 and H6 are being enforced. That is, he's checking to make sure the linebackers are lined up in the gaps. He's also checking to ensure that the defensive tackles are not lined up too far outside
of the offensive tackles. Rules H5 and H6 need to be reviewed. The defensive tackles do not necessarily have to line up head up on their opponent. They can line up in a shade technique, but the shade can't exceed shoulder to shoulder. Any wider than that would be an illegal formation, illegal defense. The only one required to line head up would be the nose guard. The two defensive tackles can line up in a shade, shoulder to shoulder. Any wider than that, though, would be a flag for an illegal formation, illegal defense. Continuing with the illegal defenses, let's take a look at the next one, which is both linebackers laterally out of the box. Only one can move laterally out of the box. The other one can blitz or stay in the box. This particular play was the first play from scrimmage in this game. I apologize for the quality of the feed from this arena. We'll look at it again. The very first play of the game, we've got two linebackers laterally out of the defensive box. Right in front of the umpire, he doesn't call it. What problem did this cause? We all know. This continued the rest of the game with these illegal defenses. It's got to be nipped in the bud. Here's another play later in the game. Two linebackers laterally out of the defensive box, illegal defense, and we don't have a flag. Here it is again. This is a rather simple call to make. You see them go side to side, both of them, flag it. As soon as they go out of the box, illegal defense, we can't miss it, and we have to have uniform enforcement throughout the country. On this play, you've seen it before in one of the DVDs from the last season. This play was called right at the time it occurred. This is a 2008 game. However, this play is legal now, and I want to tell you why. Watch the running back when we look at it again. As soon as the running back leaves the offensive box, all linebacker restrictions end. Therefore, these two linebackers can go wherever the heck they want to go because the running back left the offensive box. And he left the offensive box instantly. He's out. The linebackers can do what they want. In 2008, this flag was proper, but just keep in mind in 2009 last year and in 2010, that is a legal play because the running back left the box.